Just days away from her second birthday, a little girl is missing tonight.
Next on Cairo News at 6, we'll have a live report on the search for a missing toddler.
Over the weekend, officials warned that the likelihood of war in the region is increasing.
Smoking. How does a boy like that go so wrong?
Well, I live in a crummy neighborhood.
The Bradys?
Oh, hell yeah. They got robbers, thugs, drug dealers, you name it.
The National Emergency Alert System has declared a national state of emergency, and an evacuation order for the province of Chimakumi has been initiated. All residents in the province of Chimakumi must evacuate immediately. Residents not in Chimakumi are required to take shelter immediately. Citizens are advised to seal their homes shut and don respiratory protective equipment if possible to brace for the potentiality of a chemical, biological, and radiological attack. An invasion of Dougland by Lorsalian is underway.